Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get candle in Dota 2 on PC. Let's get started. The candle is usually part of set or seasonal event. It may give you hero special visual effect. It doesn't affect gameplay. It's purely cosmetic for style and fun. These are few ways to get it: Battle Pass, Treasury Chest or Steam Market. Check the event page or inventory update to see if it's obtainable. Once you have the candle, open Dota 2 on your PC, click on Heroes, select the hero, and from Layout, find the cosmetic slot or candle slot and click Equip. Now the candle effect will appear every time you play that hero. Some candles are limited edition, get them during the event. Combined with other cosmetic items for complete lock, keep an eye on Treasury and Battle Pass levels for seasonal drops. And that's it. Now you know how to get and equip the candle in Dota 2 on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.